Ever wondered what fuels these specialized vehicles at Changi Airport? What if I told you this was the source? Used cooking oil, or UCO for short, is one of the main sustainable feedstocks used to produce renewable diesel. When carefully collected and processed, UCO becomes a valuable resource. At Changi Airport, we work with our vendors and F&B partners to collect the oil, which contributes towards our renewable diesel trial. The collected UCO is eventually transported to Neste Singapore's Refinery, the largest renewable diesel refinery in the world. Using advanced refining technologies, the collected UCO and other waste materials, such as animal fat, are converted into high-quality renewable diesel with a chemical composition similar to fossil diesel. Over at Neste's lab, samples of collected UCO are tested regularly to ensure the integrity of raw materials used to produce renewable diesel. Studies have confirmed that when using 100% renewable diesel, we can achieve up to 90% less greenhouse gas emissions over the fuel's life cycle when compared to fossil diesel. Once refined, the renewable diesel gets delivered to Changi Airport. Before the delivered fuel gets dropped into Changi's fuel tank, it gets tested to confirm that it is indeed a 50% renewable diesel blend. This is the blend that Changi is using for the first phase of our trials. Should this trial of renewable diesel be successful, this will help Changi Airport achieve Singapore's vision for all vehicles to run on cleaner energy by 2040.